You're welcome, guys. Guys, you're welcome. All right, so I will take my time. I want to take you through how to make a real AI portrait. A real AI portrait. You are in this premium class because you are passed through and you are paid. I'm going to give you what you pay for. So take your time, look at the screen, look at what you are looking at. Take a look at this kind of AI. You can easily make it and make cool money. Okay, two apps are responsible for this. All right, one of the app is down. Retake and Remini. Retake and Remini. Retake is down. This is the volume and the pressure. Hopefully it's still coming back, but the pressure is so much on Remini. All right, so let's make our own money also. So just go to Play Store. Just take it step by step. Go to Play Store. Remini is now also free. Okay, but the fee is not that exorbitant. All right, so I have Remini already. So go to your own Play Store. All right, type Remini. Okay, can you see my own? Can you see my own? I've already now generated and download Remini, so it will come like this. All right, if you don't get it, I will send it to you inside the group. All right, so I have it already. The only thing I can do is just to open. Okay, I don't want to open from this place. All right, so let me come to my app, Remini. All right, okay, if you are just opening your own, okay, it will ask you some questions, necessary things. Okay, skip some necessary things and fill some necessary things. All right, so when you get here, I want to do something for you live. All right, I use another accounts that I'm using to generate something for you live. Okay, to be connected automatically to your available email. All right, your most active email. So this is it. This is Remini. This is the magic. Okay, this is the magic. The take is down for now. This is the magic. All right, so you can see what I've done from this. All right, so as I said, it is not free. Okay, you can do what we do sometimes. Last week, I'm doing this as of this is 28. Okay, on the 28th, as of last week. Okay, once you register, you can put your ATM. They will give you 1 week free trial. They're still giving some, but I don't have the chance on this new account that I opened today, 28. Yes, I don't know what is going to happen. So at times you will see free trial, but that free trial also you have to insert your details. And what we are doing that time is that before that 7 days lapses, we're going to disengage our ATM. So once you disengage your ATM, there will not be penalty for it. You have used they believe that you have used your 7 days trial. You are not interested in it. But now they are also wise to use any of their sections. Look at all these sections. Look at all these 4 sections. And that one should be free to use. If you want to use AI photo, you have to log in to use AI photo. If you want to use the second one, avatar, you have to pay to log avatar. Filter also should be free. All right, so this is what I want to show you. If you find yourself in this kind of shoe, I want to do a live one for you. So you can just go to these settings. Okay, when you see I think I've subscribed. Let me see. I've subscribed 1570, but still, before once you subscribe 1570, it will open all. But it's not opening all again. Okay, and you can have the chance that you subscribed only 1570 and everything will open. Okay, so this way you can cancel you can cancel your subscription. You can cancel it if you don't want it again. You can cancel it. You can look for the details. Okay, so after I subscribe, I still don't have access to the main thing that we need, which is this AI photos. So I want to show you how to how to make payment for AI photos directly. So once you are doing your own, and it also like this, okay, so just come to AI photos and make payment for it. I think that one is 1.4. Let's check it out. So follow me as I do this. Let me quickly do something. You select that, you see the process I follow. Very simple. Okay, you want to upload 8 pictures. 8. Just find your pictures. Find any picture that you think you like. Okay, let me go with all this. 8. Let me pause this thing. So after you select all the 8, this is the next thing. This is the next thing that will bring to you. You have to select the female part. Okay, I've not tried all this. Okay, or there are some that are very sharp when you look at it. Your picture also determine the result. So if clients bring pictures to you, make sure they give you the best picture. Okay, I don't take the best picture. I don't take like several pictures. Use it. Don't just use a picture. Okay, they require for 8, at least 8. So I always love to use this. I'm talking about myself. I love to use this. I love to use this. Chef. This is chef. Okay, I love to use that. At times also, let me see. I love to use this one also. Okay, so I love to use this one also. So just check through what you think you can use. All right. So I would like to use this NOS. Let me see the result. Okay, don't forget I want to show you how to make live payments. Okay. All right. Can you see it? It says generate. Can you see? For 1,430. 48 viewed photos included. This should last us for a week. Let me see. Okay, let me accept it. You will have connected your ATM. I've connected my ATM. Okay, if you have not done your own, it will take you to where you're going to connect your ATM. Connect. This is OP. OP has a virtual ATM. Okay, and after I've tried like 3, I think it accepted OP. Can you see? Valve. Yes, it has Valve. It has Visa. It accepts Visa also, MasterCard. Okay, they will connect with your available email. All right, so I've connected my Valve. Okay, so let's see how one tap buy. Let's see how it's going to be. Payment successfully. All right, let's see. Can you see they deduct their money immediately? Yes, that's it. They deduct their money immediately. Okay, and it will process the picture for you. So take your time. Your data must be active. Take your time. So don't be like I cannot pay. No, if you can do this in a week, okay, just 1.4 in a week, and you can make a lot of money from it, from doing for clients, is enough. So they not make only Enhance is make free, and Enhance cannot do the magic of these AI photos and AI avatars. So right now, this is what they are doing. They have updated their app, unless you have it when it came out, okay, and you have not updated. If you update it, this is the pattern you are coming back to. Okay, so they don't want anybody to cheat them. So let's wait. The result, okay, your first time like that will take some little time. Just make sure the data is very active and strong. Okay, so these are my results. All right, you can just swipe right. Okay, you can swipe right, or you can just download. You can see download button, anyone you need. You can just click on this download button. Okay, or swipe to the right. Swiping to the left is delete. Swipe to the right means you need it. Okay, I like this. So this is another one. All right, this is another one. So swipe to the right if you need it. This is another one. Okay, you swipe. All right, this is another one. Okay, swipe. I see another one. Okay, so that's just it. Swipe based on what you need. All right. So now it will tell you change model image, generate more. If you want to generate more, you are free to generate more. Let's generate more. As you can see the result again, see the other results, see the other result again. Okay, these are other results based on what you need. All right, so let's try and generate. All right, so we are done. So maybe you want to change, you want to do another one. Okay, maybe you want to do, which kind of error is this? Sorry, maybe you want to do another one. Okay, you can just go to this settings button, retrain AI model. All right, so it will delete all the model you have, so we have to start all over. You say, let's use me. Let me see if I can see some of my picture, if I can get some of my pictures, some of my picture. You can get this, you can get this. Let me do for my boss. Okay, just select those pictures. So I've selected my best picture. I've selected my picture. Okay, one is repeating twice. Let me see if I can get another one. Is repeating twice. I'm not a photo person. One is repeating twice. Okay, I'm trying to use this. Let's see another one. And also one. I think I'm okay. I'm okay with all this. Okay, let's go with this. I just want to use this randomly. Okay, randomly. Make sure your picture is sharp. You see the result. What do I want to use? Which model should we use? I love this model. Okay. Alright, so let's wait for that time. Guys, can you see the results? See myself? Can you see the results? Can you see? So soft, so soft, so soft. I love this. Okay. Wow. This is my result. Okay. This is my result. Oh, I don't fine, Sha. I don't fine. This is my result. Oh, chippy. I need to go and buy a red. Confirmento. I love this. The best of all. Alright, so that's how to generate it. You can do that for your client. So just ask for a clear picture of your client. Do it for yourself. Don't forget, you need to subscribe. There's no way you can do that. Okay, you need to subscribe. Or find someone, join money together, use somebody else to subscribe and use it very well. Like this, I have to like 7 days chance to use this. Okay, so that is how it's being done. So in our next video, I'm going to see how we can edit, generate one. I don't want more, Jerry. Okay, let me change model. What should I use again? Let me use suits now. I can also wear suits. Before I wear suits, let me try someone now. Let's go. Okay, so let's wait for. Can you see? Can you see other version? Can you see other version? Wow. Wow. Lovely. The remaining are editing work. I love this. Smart. Alright guys, so that's how to do it. Okay, so go and make yours, go and soar, go and make money. Cool money is possible from this thing. Okay, so don't limit yourself. Alright, so the next one is how to remove the watermark. What can you see? Everything has Remini logo. Can you see? Everything, whether you pay or you don't pay, everything has Remini logo. Okay, so I'm going to change it in the next video. Thank you.